What is going on today, YouTube? Today, I'm going to tell you the number one reason why most traders fail, and that is simply because they don't plan out their trades. Now, if you're new to my channel, I make daily stock market videos. Just trying to teach you stuff I wish I knew when I first started. And if you like this kind of content, subscribe to my channel, leave a like on the video, comment below if you have any questions, and share it to someone else that could use it. So, number one reason why traders fail. Trying to swing trade, you're trying to day trade. The first thing you need to do, you need to plan out your trade. You need to look, okay, for example, this is going to be like a swing trading example. So swing trading, I mean, if you don't know, I have videos on it. You can go check them out. But basically, you want to get into a short-term position where you think this stock's going to increase in value. And so, okay, we're going to look. And I already have these lines drawn. You can see these stocks, like for a swing trade, they bounce between these two regions. And then when they break out of the region, they get a new pattern. So that's why this line's drawn, and it's right here. It's doing the same thing. It's bouncing between this support line and this resistance line. So when you're looking at this trade, if you look and it's at this bottom level. So you're gonna expect it's gonna bounce the whole way up to this top level again. Because that's what it keeps on doing. So you don't want to enter into this stock up here. If you enter in up here, you're going for a potential of a 5% gain, but your potential for loss is 11%. That's where traders screw up. That's why traders fail. You need to figure out if the risk is worth the reward. So look at your trade. Okay, say if you're down here, most likely you don't want to just get in when it's going down. You want to see like a little bit of an uptrend. So if you see this day, okay, say you didn't get in, you look at the end of the day next day, and this stock ends up at 21.49. Look at it and think, okay, is it worth me? It's worth a 11% profit for a 6% risk, because that's basically a 2-to-1 ratio. That's what you need to look at and figure out if it's worth it or not. If it's not worth it, just wait. Just wait for the next opportunity. And look, it would have happened again. Came down here, you could have got in at this $20 mark. Or you could have got in at this 20.65. And look at this. It's a better. You're risking 2% this time for about a 15% gain. So that's like an 8-to-1 ratio. Your odds are better. And that's just because you waited, you gave it time, and you saw a pattern it was trending in between. So right now, looking at this, I mean, it keeps on making higher lows. That's another thing. So it's probably soon going to break out of this support and resistance line, and it's going to start a new pattern. Wait to see what pattern it starts out, and then calculate your risk reward. Right now, since this didn't go the whole way back down to 20, it's kind of hard to tell what it's going to do. Since it bounced at this $22 mark, I mean, you can see what it did last time. Hit this 21, 22, then went up to almost $24. It's done the same thing, back down, so you expect it to go back up to 24. Just calculate your risk reward. That's the biggest thing. That's the biggest mistake traders make that makes them lose money. Figure out if it's even worth getting into. And wait for those. Just be patient. Be patient and wait for better setups. Don't just try to force a trade. Don't try to be like, oh, I need to get into a trade this week, or I got to get into a trade every week. No, wait for the best setups. Wait for the trades that are going to make you money. So that's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, leave a like on it. Comment below if you have any questions and share it to someone else that could use it. If you like us, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you tomorrow.